Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is week 2. I don't know what's about to come. You're gonna see everything and we're not doing much, we're just living, doing regular stuff. So enjoy the video guys, bye bye.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make this weird.
Currently on my way to the gym.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight?
Yeah. Okay. Demon just got out of camp. I gave my bro an advance.
I'm gonna step out now. I'm gonna see if I can get a pedicure. My toes are a bit, ugh. I've been having such horrible last few days. I barely left this apartment and I wasn't even going to leave today. My Deliveroo doesn't actually want to send food to my house. I only tell you these things because everything you see me post, most of it are mainly just highlights. It's not the entire story or my entire life. Do you get me? Like, you only see the best parts. I only throw that in there to kind of keep it a bit more real, you know, just not to be like, whoo, this is my life, I'm traveling, I'm having so much fun, and I am. But that's not all there is to it, so I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna stop talking. This is my outfit. Time to head out. It's like 7 or 8 now, I'm not sure. Hello everybody. So I decided to go cycling instead. I can't get my nails or toes done today, but I booked an appointment for tomorrow. The weather's lovely. So I'm just gonna go cycle around, find something to eat, clear my head a bit, and yeah.
Only one choice now. Just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm me down. How you set me free when I'm flying myself.
So I'm home now and I'm watching my video. It was nice to take a cycle around the place. It just kind of eased my mind a bit, you know? I'm gonna leave it here and say goodnight. Good morning everybody. I'm heading out right now. I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm a bit late. Shock. But let's go.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
Hi everyone. I got my lashes done. And now I'm looking for somewhere to eat, but I can't seem to find anywhere. Everywhere seems to be closed and opening at like 8 or something.
You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Look at that. That actually looks like a snail. Look at the eyes, the mouth.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is when I visit. Windy city, she put me kisses, no. 30 degrees, too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by
the next day.
Hi guys, my brother and I tried to get the bus to go to where we are now because Seville doesn't have like a coastal area. We missed the bus, so then we ended up going with this black car. We literally paid €6 each for like an hour and 10 minutes drive up here. Now we're at Matacanes. I'm Matacanes right now. It's not like a wow beach, but it's nice still. It was such a lovely day at the beach. Hi guys, so I'm outside right now. I'm going to see if I can rent a scooter. I'm so happy, like I'm so gassed. I've been so sad today. Oh, I just keep getting sad all over the place. But now I'm actually going to go out and just go to show. I see one there. I went to Audi. I'm so scared to get on one of these again. Like, I'm actually terrified. Hey everyone, I've literally just been in bed the whole day. I have a headache and I just feel down. I've really been feeling sick and feeling ugh. Well, things are going to pick up. Anyways, let me show you my pizza.
Smoking weed under star projectors. I guess we'll never know what Harvard gets us.
Guys, Christopher Columbus was buried here. You know Columbus, the guy that discovered America? Hi guys, me and Mohammed are in a cathedral. He says I don't know how to say his name properly.
You said good.
Did I?
Yeah.
I guess we'll never know what Harvard gets us. But seeing my family have it all took the place of that desire for diplomas on the wall. And really, I think I like who I'm becoming. There's times where I might do it just to do it like it's nothing. There's times where I might.
Hello everybody, follow me into the Tower of Seville.
They faces, all it took was patience. I got a lot of friends to come up off the strip for me. The same ones that'll come up.
Hi guys, here we are at the top of the city. Look at this beautiful view. It's me and Mohammed.
This is the city of Seville.
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 Oh no, it's not sand. It's the way it's built.
Oh my god. What the
Hi guys, where are we?
Plaza de España.
Plaza de España.
That's right.